Claude can now generate 3D videos, VR experience, full video ads, and much, much more. Today, I will show you 7 mind-blowing use cases, and 4 of them no one is talking about. Without wasting time, let's jump into example number 1. I will open Claude and ask it to generate a 3D windmill video with a rotating camera. And in a few seconds, we will get a TSX file. Just copy it and then go to VidTSX.com. Go here to Studio, then simply click on Import, paste the code here, then import. And you can preview the video directly here. Perfect. In the same way, you can create any 3D video you want. And don't worry about the prompts and the resources. I'll give you everything in a few minutes. Let's now jump into example number 2. I'm sure you will love this. Now, since we can create 3D videos, we can go and level up with a VR video. Let me show you with this example. I'll paste the prompt to generate a roller coaster VR video. Let's see this. The same way it's done, copy the TSX file, go back to Studio, and now click on Import, paste the code, import, and boom, we get this VR video. I'm sure you played this once at least in your life. Perfect. Another example I created the same way is this one, paper airplane flight. Another VR video of a paper airplane flying in a room, you see? Now what you can do here is to take this TSX file, to copy it, and then go to Claude and ask it to transform following TSX into a interactive VR experience and paste the TSX file. A very basic prompt for now, just to help you understand the concept. And now Claude will generate using WebXR an interactive VR experience so you can play this video yourself. And this time Claude will transform a TSX file into an HTML file, a web page, that when you open, it will look like this one. So you can play it. I can move with the WASD on keyboard, and with the mouse I can look around. A full VR interactive experience. Really awesome. Now, before I move on to example number 3, I want to be clear. We aren't creating these just to have fun and say, wow, this can be a game changer for content creators, educational content, and explaining complex ideas and topics visually and interactively. Let's now move on to example number 3. This one is super useful. We can transform any web page into a video ad. For example, if you have a product or your landing page, in my case, let's say my course, my Solo Builder course, this is the landing page here. What I do simply is I take the URL, go to Claude here, with this prompt, I just paste the URL here. That's it. Enter. And now we will transform this web page into a full video ad to promote your product. In my case, the course. Then you grab the TSX file, back to Studio, and you will see now here I have the Solo Builder ad. Let's play it. Nice. Other version with another style and theme. You see here. Now, example number 4 is somehow similar, but instead of a URL, if you are building a project with a Claude code inside VS Code, for example, or any web IDE, you simply go here and install Remotion Skills with this simple command. Then you go here and tell Claude, I want to create a professional video ad for this project. And you add your custom prompts, whatever you want. And in a few seconds, Claude will generate a TSX file like this one here. The same way, but inside Claude code. I will copy it, go back here to TSX. In the same way, you can import it, and you'll get the video ad here. Look at this. Full professional video ad for your product. And they already published this on X, by the way. Nice. And by the way, Pi Runner is my new project I will launch very soon. I create a video about it. It's an open source, free alternative for all automation tools like N8N, Zapier, and so on, where you can automate things with simple Python scripts. An awesome project I'll share with you very soon. Let's now move on to example number 5. I'm sure you will love this one. Again, I'll paste this prompt here and ask Claude to generate an educational piano playing a song. Let's see this. In a few seconds, you'll get a TSX file, back to studio, and look at this. Ready? Another version I created also, I think this one, yes. This is perfect for education. You see? So also you can create any educational simulation that helps people learn on piano, on keyboard, or in any other subject like physics, math, and so on. For example, I created this simulation for sorting algorithm. Look at this one, it's really interesting. It's comparing different algorithms like bubble, selection, insertion, and you see these types of videos, sometimes it go viral on the internet comparing different algorithms. Or for example, if you go here, another one I created, which is the pathfinder visualization. Look at this one, comparing also 3 different algorithms to find the fastest one to reach the goal. And you see here, this one wins. Really, we have infinite possibilities. This is just your imagination, what you want to present, how you want to present it, and go prompt Claude and use the studio here to generate any video you want. Now, example number 6 is a new feature I added to VidTSX last week. If you go into the library, you'll see now we have templates section. For example, you select the code card, and now you can play this preview. Not only that, now you can directly edit the properties. For example, you can change the text of the code. For example, smash the like button and subscribe. And then you play the code again, you will see we get the text here. You can also change the colors, we can change the style easily. Another one, for example, is the follow milestone. You see here, you can share this as a story on social media. When you reach a milestone, you can change the text, numbers, colors. You can even add your profile image here. For example, I'll paste the profile image URL. I will change this to YouTube and I will go with 1 million subscriber. And if you see this now, if we play this, the style will change to fit YouTube more with 1 million subscribers. The same for code animation. If you are sharing code snippets, for example, you can see this animation. You can just paste the snippet you want and it will play the video. This will help you explain topics if you're in the coding niche. I'll be adding always new templates here, and yes, it's all free. Let's now move on to example number 7. Not this one, it's an example of a 3D video. If you go here again, you will see we have my assets, you see? Now you can upload images and files and music and audio to this section here and use them directly in your TSX files. For example, what I did is I went to Claude here and I uploaded the following images. And then I asked it to create an animation based on this. If you go back to Studio, you will see here is the background images and the character sprite sheet. If you are familiar with game development, you know we create this sprite sheet for a character. And then I got this video animation based on images, based on graphics. And this is something really interesting because now you don't rely on Claude and the basic web graphics. You can grab your own graphics, even by the way, 3D graphics and materials, and create videos with these files and materials. And in case you are new to my channel here, VidTSX is a project I developed 2 weeks ago, and maybe you are wondering how we can convert this into an MP4 into a real video. You can use the free application here, download application, and you'll find this VidTSX desktop application to generate the MP4 with the TSX renderer. Explain this in detail in my last video, you can check it out. And if you are wondering how I build all these projects fast, it's all about AI coding the right way, which I explained in detail in the Solo Builder course. If you are interested, you can check it out in the description below. All the prompts, resources, everything mentioned, you will find for free in the description below. If you learned something new today, smash the like button and see you in the upcoming videos.